As we convene at the 23rd Assembly of the State Party to the Rome Statute here in The Hague, we stand at the critical juncture for the International Criminal Court and for the global fight for justice and accountability. Human rights and international law face enormous challenges worldwide, from the devastating armed conflict in my native Ukraine, Sudan, Palestine, to the systematic repressions in Afghanistan and Venezuela. The world is witnessing an alarming rise in grave violence and international crimes. Civilians, especially women and children, bear the brunt of these atrocities. In this context, the ICC mandate to fight impunity for the most serious crimes is more critical than ever. The ICC has made remarkable strides this year: ratification of Rome Statute by Ukraine and Armenia, significant ruling by Uganda and Mali cases, new arrest warrants in key situations like Ukraine and Palestine, and promising application for arrest warrant in situation in Myanmar. However, the court itself faced with major external and internal challenges: cyber attacks, the threat of sanctions from United States, the arrest warrant against ICC judges by Russia, and serious work culture crisis. There has also been growing the threats to civil society and human rights defenders who supports the court work representing victims' community. This further compromises access to justice for victims who continue to face obstacles such as limited participation in ICC procedures and inadequate legal support and outreach, a lack of cooperation in arresting and surrounding ICC suspects, and meaningful, comprehensive efforts of some states further undermine the court mandate. These challenges demand immediate and decisive actions from state parties. At the head of this year's delegation of International Federation for Human Rights to International Criminal Court, I urge you to act decisively in three fronts. First, to stand up and to defend International Criminal Court and human rights defenders from external and internal threats. Second, to uphold victims' Rome Statute rights, to define transparent, inclusive, intersectional approach to information and outreach, legal representation, participation, and reparations. Third, champion and drive accountability through state cooperation and genuine domestic proceedings. Let us reaffirm our collective commitment to the rule of law and justice. The decisions made this week will shape the court's ability to deliver meaningful and timely justice for the world's most vulnerable victims.